Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now it's been quite a few days since I videoed our little ducky family, and let's go and have a look what the little monkeys are up to. And as you can see, they are not so little anymore. Hi guys, what are you doing over there? Hey, hello. They're looking like real duckies now. Real duckies, what are you doing? Hey, hello. They are growing so big, so fast, and getting into a lot of mischief. Aren't you, darlings? Oh yeah. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, I'm going to have to move that plant out the way, that weed. It's a nightshade, which I don't want them to get, so I'll just go and remove that now. Right, that has been removed. And I'll just leave these little monsters to it and go and see the other little monsters. Monster time! Noisy monsters! Hello monsters! Hello my noisy little creatures! Look at them! Oh, let's have a look. What are these little monsters doing? What are you doing? Hello! Hi guys! Aren't they just so cute? Hi Biffy! And Minnie! Oh, and look at you! Gosh! Look, they're nearly as big as Mum! Hey guys! Yes, we've been having some absolutely dreadful weather and it's very windy. It's been quite cold today, so I've had to keep my little short ones nice and warm with a hottie every few hours, and got bits of wood up there so that keeps the wind off them, keeps the wind off the naughties. You are such busy little monsters, aren't you? Hey, just busy. So I'll leave them out here for a bit longer. It's slightly warmer. Oh look, gave them some ping pong balls to play with. They played for them with it a little while in the water, but it sort of scared them for a bit. So they're having fun. Lots of fun. They're so tiny still, but they'll get there. They'll be just like their bigger brothers and sisters in no time at all. And there's the little monkeys, or the big monkeys. Growing up so quickly. So there's been lots of squabblings, and I've had to break up a few duckling fights. So hilarious. And Miss Evie is not sleeping with them at night. She's made her own nest. So these ones go to sleep in their home, where they're nice and safe and they've got plenty of food and away from the rats and everything. So they're doing really, really well. So I hope you enjoyed this little episode on this windy day, and I hope you join us again for the next episode. Or have I already said that? I don't know. Anyway, so please like and subscribe, leave us a comment, because we'd love to hear from you, and would love to hear from other duck carers, people who have ducks as family members. And yeah, so until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about duckies, stay wild about all animals. And remember, animals are your friends, they are not food. So until next time, bye bye.